Hello and welcome to How to with Seth series lesson 3. Today I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 on a computer using a bootable USB flash drive. If you don't know how, please watch my other video, lesson 2, on how to do it. Disclaimer: please know that I will not responsible for any losses, damage in any form when you follow instructions. Do it at your own risk. Please make sure to back up your important files in external hard drive before proceeding. Let's get started. First, turn off your computer and then plug in a USB bootable flash drive to your computer and then turn it on. When the computer is starting about 2 seconds or so, please press escape or F2 or F10, F8 or F12 depend on your computer brand name. For example, Lenovo is F12, for Asus is F8, and then select boot from USB. Here is very important. You don't have to follow my process here. For me, I just want to have clean version of Windows installation, so I delete hard drive and create it again. For you, you don't have to do that. If you do, please make sure that your files are backed up, because doing this will delete everything and you cannot get it back. Done. That's how you do